How to add a 3D video intro to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So the first step is going to be uploading a video or .mp4 video to your Shopify or any other, platform out there that is going to allow you to use this or upload a .mp4 file and actually get an MP4 file link. So if you have Shopify, you can just feel free to do it from the content section. You can click on content, click on files, and you simply just want to upload the video from here. Next up, once you actually upload the video, you simply just want to copy the link for it. So remember this link, we're going to be using it later on. Anyways, once that's done, we simply just want to go to our online store themes and click on edit theme. And take this time to go down to the description. You should be able to find a code. You simply just want to copy that code, and we are just going to be using it right now. So we're just going to go to the template section, click on add section, scroll down until we find custom liquid. So click on that, and you simply just want to go ahead and paste in the code that you're going to be able to find in the description. So let's just go and talk about the code that you're going to paste in. So by default, you're going to find this code right away. And you just want to change a few things in it. For example, we have the fade out speed. You can just feel free to change that from here. Next up, we want to change the actual video itself, because by default, you're going to find the dog video that you will see, obviously. So in order to change that, you simply just want to highlight this. You can see source within the video tag, source equals, and then the double quotes, and you are going to find this link. You simply just want to remove this and replace it with your .mp4 video. This is going to be where you upload your own video. Okay, so again, just upload it to your Shopify and get the link and paste it in here. Next up, if you scroll down, you're going to also find more comments here that I left for you, the things that you can change it, like for example the blurriness of the video. You can just increase it or decrease it as you like, from 0 to 20 pixels. So you can just replace this to whatever you like. And also, if you scroll down here, another important one here is going to be the actual length of the video. So you're just going to go ahead and change this. This is going to be in seconds. So if it says 6,000, that means it's going to be 6 seconds. And lastly, we have the skip intro button. So it's going to say skip intro by default. You can feel free to change it to be whatever you like. So once you change all of that, paste in the new code and this custom liquid, make sure you save and exit. And now you can even view your online store, and you're going to be able to see that you have your intro video, and people can actually skip it using this button right here. With that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.